Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech updates. If you're a Samsung or Android user, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to power off, turn off, or restart your Samsung phone. Normally, every phone has a side button that you can long press to power off or restart the device. However, Samsung has changed this behavior. If you long press the side button, the Gemini app opens, and if you double press the side button, the camera opens. So the question is, how do you power off or restart your Samsung phone? There are two easy methods. Method 1. Using quick settings, swipe down from the top of the screen to open quick settings. Look at the top corner, where you'll see the power icon. Tap on it. Now select power off or restart option. Method 2 is also very simple. Let me show you where to check the settings first. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Select side button. Here you see how to power off your phone option. Tap on it. To power off or restart your Samsung phone, press and hold the side button and the volume down button together. The power menu will appear. Select power off or restart option. Hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to leave a comment and share your experience. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.